The European Sales Competition is a great opportunity to network with other people, other students with the same goals, and it's a really great experience because you're doing what you're studying in a practical way.
I'm very happy and delighted to be here in the Netherlands, and especially in Apeldoorn, a very beautiful city with charming, welcoming people.
It has been great, absolutely fantastic, way above my expectations, definitely.
The students were able to have such an event, being able to participate on the sales competition and also getting insights from the company, which is also a good preparation for them for the future.
The best thing was the speech of one of the politicians coming to tell them how a political vote can be a sales structure.
When you meet so many different people from all over the world, you can take some small thing that they use in their sales pitch.
It's a very valuable opportunity for me as a Wittenberg student to show to everyone that you can be entrepreneur and start from the ground from your university.
I found it very charming and creative to add this team selling aspect in this year's sales competition. It's a new aspect which is highly required in the marketplace, and I liked our tea bag challenge, which was really nice, and we are thinking of implementing this in the teaching also in Austria.
We are in Apeldoorn, so the hotel where we were staying was amazing. The university is really nice. It was really well structured. It was a clear plan. I think everyone put a lot of effort here. Also students helping out and doing some contribution, which is also nice. So the hospitality was amazing.
I recommend everyone join one of these sales competitions if they have the opportunity.
This was a great experience for me as well.
This experience, I will take it in my heart for the rest of my life, really.